Somebody kept a calling, so I had to answer. And if you's really smart, boy, you best mind your manners.
What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we are at the tree removal site, and this is the part 2 of the video of the tree removal thing. So this is the tree, how it looks. I tried to show you guys yesterday, or last night, but it was too dark. So this is, I cut this up last night. I didn't film it. I filmed the part that I just cut down the branch. So it's pretty clean, I think. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit. So yeah, guys, I cut off the crown where all the branches was, as you can tell. I cut off the 2 branches here, not branches, like the stumps off of those, so I'll make it lighter. Now, what I'm thinking is to cut this section off of like here, and just go all the way down to like, just try to get close as possible to this part here, because this part here, because it's all knots, it's gonna be heavy. So and plus I cut off this part here that was connected to the tree stump at this point, or I consider this part here like a log at this point. So for some reason it's not lubricating the chain. The oil is not lubricating the chain. So I clean out the hole where the oil is supposed to be coming out from, and still not lubricating. So I basically did a dry cut here. So this is what I've been using to cut down the tree, and then for like the branches itself, I used the pole saw, electric pole saw. So that runs like this with the electricity. So tell you guys after I cut down the actual trunk itself. Okay, that's my grandfather, by the way. Yeah. Catch you guys in a bit. So yeah, guys. I'm done cutting down the trunk of the tree. Now it's just a stump. We don't have a stump grinder, so this is a pretty large stump. A stump, log. A trunk. Oh, no, a log. It's still a trunk, but yeah, I kind of struggled with this, as you can tell, right down, like right here. I was on the other side when I was doing this side, or this point here, this point, or this side. I don't know if that makes sense or not. But anyways, yeah. It came out pretty. I wanted it to kind of be even, or like leveled all the way, This is not leveled at all. There's a groove there. Oh well, yeah. That's a 16-inch chainsaw, so I was kind of right with 20 inches. Right here is like 4 inches. I was right. 20 inches. But I think from like this point, this to this point to this point is like 22 inches or more. And I was right with the 20 inches when I was estimating with my boots. Now it's more clear, as you can tell. The house doesn't bother. So yeah, and still the chainsaw itself doesn't lubricate still. Now I need to cut the trunk itself. Right there. I counted like how many pieces that I need to cut this in. It's around 12 because I need to cut it like short pieces. I was doing this like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I was counting like that. And then right now I'm like wide angle ends on my phone. I like it. This is my first time trying it out, but while filming. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit again. So yeah, guys, I counted 13 pieces of the logs. Or of the trunk. Yeah, there's a couple on the trailer now. It's right there. Boom, right there. So yeah, 13 pieces off the trunk. Well, not 13, 12 pieces actually. Because I counted the 12 because I made a notch when I cut the tree down, or the trunk down, or the tree trunk down. So that's the crown, and that right there is the wedge. So actually 12 pieces. 12 pieces. Not bad. Yeah, this is the rest of the branches. 12 stumps. See? See. I cut the trunk good. The trunk good, at least. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit. So yeah, guys, I'm done cutting down the stump. Now it's just like it's almost level to the ground. Well, it's technically is level to the ground because of this point here. See, this is the ground level. And this is the trunk of the stump now. So like, yeah. I did kind of struggle to cut this down. Because it was kind of getting, not really stuck, but you see how this has like a dent or concave, concave to it. So it might collect the water in the middle. Well, yeah, it might. But yeah, this is probably the lowest I could get it on this side. This is the ground here. Well, not really. That's ground level right there. On this side, at least. So. Okay. You can see where I started, right here. Yeah. I was cutting, on this I was cutting downwards because I thought it would be like a straight cut. Now I had to go all the way around. So, I forgot. Yeah. I did. This is a dense wood. Obviously, this is an oak tree. See? This is a really dense wood. It's heavy. These trunks here are like 50 to, no, around 80 pounds each. So, yeah. Catch you guys in a bit. I just want to show you guys that I could just cut the stump to ground level. So, yeah. Catch you guys in a bit. So yeah, guys, we are done picking up the logs. So there's some in front, and what I showed you earlier in the day is majority of it is in the back. And yeah, this is a avocado tree that she wanted to cut down. Basically, those are just sprouts that came up. So yeah, if you guys are new, please subscribe and tell your friends and family to subscribe to me. I will appreciate that. And comment down below and like the video. And share the video. And yeah. Peace out. Love you guys.
Kept the calling, so I had to answer. And if you was really smart, boy,